I've never filmed a dog's birthday before, but this sounds pretty cool. Should be a lot of fun. Let's see how this goes. I never know what I'm going to film. We're going to use Sony a6500, weapon of choice. Sometimes you get so much footage that's like, what else can you shoot? There's a lot more dogs than I expected. You just never know what's going to come. I love dogs. First puppy party I've ever been to, never alone filmed. It's interesting. Just trying to be creative as possible.
Happy birthday, dear Yogi. Happy birthday to you.
Alright guys, so that's how you shoot a puppy party. That's a lot of fun, very different, had a lot of fun. If you're interested in getting some videography work done, Las Vegas Videography, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Google, anywhere you can find it, hit me up. Bye.